Okay, today we're going to do a little video on the Travel Lite 770 RSL. This camper will fit anything from a 1500 short bed on up. They switched to the front molded fiberglass cap a couple years ago, so this one's got aluminum siding. It's an option to have the fiberglass siding as well. This one has power jacks. It's got your on-demand hot water heater. This unit comes in either white or the matte charcoal, and actually they offer it in a light gray as well. Got your outside shower right there, your power port. So we're going to step inside. This is really about the lightest truck camper that you can get that actually has a wet bath. So you've got a east to west bed. It's a double. You've got nice storage up there. You got your fridge and a little freezer here. So you got your fridge and a little freezer space up there. You got your controller for your hot water heater. And over here you've got your door for your wet bath. So in here you've got your toilet. Of course, you straddle the toilet to take a shower. Got a vanity. Got a fantastic fan up there. These things have a good bit of storage. Got a nice hanger up there. Got your compartment sink. You've got a 2-burner stove. Got a range. Got storage up here, which is nice. You've got your TV hookups here. Most people just mount a swivel plate there so they can watch TV in the bed or swing it around here to the little couch. Little dinette. Have 2 drawers there, your furnace there. A lot of storage in this unit for its size. The tabletop actually comes with a tripod, so you can move it inside or use it outside. And of course it will fold down to make a bed for pretty much kind of one person down on the bottom here. So dukesoutdoor.com. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more videos like this. And if we can be of assistance, please don't hesitate to either comment or contact us. Thank you.